Everyone, welcome to New Learner. This is HTML tutorial part 7. So in this tutorial we are going to see what are lists, how can we create list using HTML tags. So lists are basically used to list some items. So there are basically three kinds of list that we used in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and description list. So let's see what is this. Ordered lists are the list in which we use numbers to list the items of the list. Like in here, first list we have used red, blue, and green, and we have marked them 1, 2, 3. So you can also use A, B, C, or Roman numbers. Next in unordered list. Unordered list is where we use bullets to specify the items of the list. And next one is description list. So it is a glossary kind of list or dictionary kind of list where we specify a word and then we provide the description about it. So let's see how to use these lists or how to create these lists in HTML. So we'll first open Notepad++. So here I have defined HTML head title. In title I have given list page and then I have defined body. So let's start to specify all list one by one. So firstly we will see unordered list. So for unordered list our tag is UL. UL specify that we are going to start a list which is unordered. In list each item has to be specified under li tag. So here we will use li tag and we will close it. So in UL first we can give the title of the list. Suppose here we give employees names. Okay. Next here in li we will give names of the employee like Mark. So Mark, Jack and David. Here we have specified three elements. So let's see how this list work. Let's see in browser. First we save it. So I am saving it with list.html name. Let's save it and see it in browser. So you can see here is the title employee names and here is Mark, Jack and David. But here we can see there are bullets over it. So why it is so? It is because it is an unordered list. So here are bullets. Next let's create a ordered list now. So in ordered list we will have numbers. Let's see how this will work. So we can copy same. So here title is employee name and these are the three elements. Let's save it and refresh this page. So you can see here are numbers 1, 2, 3. So next is description list. In description list we have three tags. DL defines that it is a description list. So here we can give title, employee with its department. Okay. So this is the name of the list. Then we have DT. DT defines definition terms. That means what is the keyword, what is the word about which we are going to define. And then DD. So let's see how to use. So in DT let's give mark, and in DD we can give from finance department. So that means mark is from finance department. Let's save it, and we let's save it and browse it. So you can see here we got heading employee with its department. Here is the term mark, and next is its description from finance department. We can also give something other. Let's copy it. You can give check from accounts department. Let's refresh it. So you can see how all the three lists are working in HTML. So here is the code that we have used, and you can also find the code in my blog. I will share the link in the description for that blog also. Thank you for watching. Stay home.